Hey everyone, this is Asher here from Revenue Journey. Now I wanted to do this video because over the past few days and weeks, I've just been knee-deep in terms of some client projects. And we talk so much about this whole idea of getting an edge when it comes to your go-to-market strategies. And one of the edge that people has been talking about is the ability to be able to find a contact that is not listed on popular databases like your Apollo, your ZoomInfo. Why is that an advantage or an edge? Because if you are able to find them and contact them, even if it's a general number, guess what? That just means that other people are not contacting them, and you're maybe one of the first or the very few that contacts them, and they will just be open to hear what you have to offer, right? So how can you actually grab those information from the public web instead of relying on a database? Now, what I did was I had a client project which was very similar to this. I'm not going to use the actual project, but essentially they gave me a link to a map, right? And they say, hey Asher, we want to extract all of the locations of this company within North America. How would you do it? And all it gave to me was this map. Now, obviously, if you wanted to do it in a manual way, you would type in, slowly, you would type in things like Boston, New York, whatever, and you would extract this one by one and try to find the information. Maybe go to Google Maps and find the general contact information, or go to LinkedIn. But the first step is, how do you grab this information? Because there's probably thousands of this information. Now, this is where I think the power of ChatGPT was just so powerful. Now, just some context, I have not programmed or coded for a long time. I did study really long ago, but honestly, if you ask me to build a program now, I can't even do it. I don't even know what's the first step. I don't even know what's the first line of code I should write. But I understand the concept, right? So I basically just asked ChatGPT, hey, given this website, and I literally just copy it and say, hey, given this website, how would you extract the information? So I'm going to show you what the ChatGPT prompt will tell you, and eventually what was I able to get. So I'm going to jump into that right now. So in this particular example, I'm actually using ChatGPT o3 because it just has advanced reasoning, right? It's able to go into what we call deep research. I'm not sure about other models, but this worked for me. At least it got 80% of the job done. And again, remember, I'm not a programmer, or rather, I forgot how to program for a long time. So I just said something like this, right? Hey, given this link, this is just a map. How would you extract all the locations? And it got all the way down to it. And again, it's very similar. It's not the same website, but it's very similar. It got me to do things such as inspecting the element, grabbing certain, grabbing certain elements within it, and going all the way down to showing me how I can create a Python file and just running it. And I even had one question where, hey, how do I even run Python on Mac, right? And they gave me all the instructions using terminal and things like this. So yeah, that's what I did. So I just want to say this, right? That right now, the ability for you to use AI to your advantage to get information that other people don't get access to, and we can eventually put this into Clay and get Clay to use AI to find the context and all, right? Just doing that really gives you the edge that a lot of people don't have. So if you're not going native into tools like this to help you go-to-market process or GTM process or GTM motion, I think you're missing out. So this is just a video I wanted to share. I was just really excited when I realized this actually worked. Yeah, so that's what I want to say, and yeah, hope it gives everyone a little bit of ideas.